Hey, what's up, dude? James Glover. I want to talk a little bit about Shakur Capital. Nothing new. Shakur Capital is an investment company in honor of Tupac Shakur, based on my positive views of Tupac and the light that I saw him in. So the content we will be putting up is in that regard. Our main focus as an investment company is to produce returns of 45% or more by value investing, non-traditional value investing, as well as trading. And I'll explain these three either in this video or later. Um, our services are offered to everyone. If you read anything about Shakur Capital, you'll see that. So our services are offered to accredited investors, non-accredited investors. Accredited investors are people with assets over $200,000 or more. Non-accredited investors are the opposite. So you have $200,000 in assets or less. So, we work with people from all classes, wealthy, middle class, lower class. And the purpose for doing this is to help the people in the lower and middle class be able to move up in classes. By us having the ability to produce larger than average returns, this will help them do that. We also will educate on finances as well, but our skills and abilities will help them do it based off of the success that we have as a company in producing those type of returns. For the wealthy individuals, we will be able to make their wealth go up substantially um, by producing returns, higher than hedge funds and beyond. So they can invest a lot, they can invest a modest amount, but we will be able to take the money they invest and double it or more with that money based on our investing style. So that's pretty much what we do, what we're about, as far as our main core aspect as an investment company. On the media side, we'll be putting up content about Tupac, showing him in a positive light mainly. We also will be showing some of the more controversial things, but this, and as well as other things we will be showing, is mainly to educate you on it um, and learn lessons from some of the stuff. Um, we really think this can be a big part of our company, but right now we mainly want to focus on just notifying you of different information, help you understand what we do, how we do it, as well as educate you on Tupac and why I chose him and why we're trying to carry on what he was doing in a financial way. We also want to get the youth involved and some of the people in the rap industry and hip hop, and well as some of our entertainers and others. But we want to make this a community like family type of company. We won't do everything perfect. We will give chances to any and everyone. So it's almost like open trials. If somebody reach out, say they want to do something, they will likely get a shot, depending on the communication that we have with them. And Shakur Capital, pretty much is a hedge fund started by a CEO that's from North Philly. And so, with all that comes with someone, from the lower class, but I have the skills to manage money and to make large amounts of money with money based on the skills that I have. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what we're doing as a company. So our main focus is producing the returns, putting up media content about Tupac, the view that we want to have him shown in. Everything isn't curated perfectly, but we're working on that, getting that smoothed out. We want to do it clear in a good way. We also will put up some other media content as well. Um, Educational things, things we think people are interested in, things we think people need to change or work on to improve as far as it comes to the African American community, and others can learn from them as well. I'll put up some things, that I may like to talk about or may want to talk about, and we'll do some consulting, and that'll be pretty much it. Um, if you want to help, you can reach out 267-714-8211. Send me an email at jlgholdings9@gmail.com. Or you can, I got all the social media platforms. If you want to help me with getting all our pages unified, or I would call it one likeness, you can help with that. If you have another field or topic you may want to talk about that you think may be related to what we're doing, share that with me. Um, I do want to mention that I will be, speaking and talking about various topics on this Shakur Capital channel and on the page, and whether it's our website, some other places as well, because things, that's on my mind, and I think other people may want to hear or get a view on, or just to have some dialogue on. So I'll be doing that as well. I'm doing most of this by myself, so be patient if you don't like the way things look, or you wonder why this is this way. Either reach out or ask me, or reach out to someone who knows me. But thanks, and reach out if you got any questions, and like, comment, and subscribe.